Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install necessary libraries or sign into a cloud GPU service and verify you have 8+ GB of RAM or a paid plan. Once done, pick the model that fits your goals, speed, realism, or control, and scaffold a clear prompt template with subject, style, and negative terms. Make sure to save a prompt history so you can iterate quickly and avoid repeating setup work. You now craft and refine prompts with deliberate experiments. Begin with a focused subject line, then add descriptive adjectives, camera terms, lighting, and color direction. This improves coherence and composition. Next, tweak generation settings like steps, CFG scale, and sampler, running 3 to 5 variants to compare. Use image prompts or in-painting masks when you need precise edits. Once you see consistent improvements, record the winning combination and iterate, because you finish by polishing outputs and handling common failures. Export the best images in PNG for lossless quality, then upscale or denoise as needed and apply final color correction. If results are muddy, increase steps or adjust CFG scale. If unwanted artifacts appear, add or refine negative prompts and simplify overly complex descriptions. Make sure to save seeds, settings, and metadata so you can reproduce success. If problems persist, revert one change at a time to find the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.